Hello. Today we will try to solve problem from TopCoder called AccessChanger. I assume that you already read problem statement. If not, please pause the video, read and understand the statement, and then resume watching the video. So I will start by creating class as indicated in problem statement. I will use main method for testing purposes. Next, I will copy method signature. It should be public so that TopCoder will be able to test our method easily. Okay, so we want to transform input called program in way indicated in problem statement. So for this I will create a variable called transformed program. That will be array of strings just like our input variable called program. And its length should be same because transformation required for problem does not have to do anything with number of lines. And after I will do this transformation, I will just return transformed program. I will do transformation line by line. For this, I will use for loop. Next, for each line, I will have two cases, easy one and relatively hard one. Easy case is when all line consists only by code. In such case, I will just use replace method of string to replace all arrows by points. So first I will deal with easy case and then with hard one. Replace method of string takes two arguments. First argument is string fragment that needs to be changed. In this case, this is arrow. And second argument indicates what should be used as replacement of arrow. In this case, it is point. And I think that's it for easy case. But a relatively hard case is when line consists not only of code, but also by comment. As we know from problem statement, we should not modify comments. In order to do this, I will separate code from comments, then replace characters in code part, and then unite both of them. In order to split code from comment, I will need to find splitting point, and this splitting point is where I have double slash. So first I'll try to find this splitting point by using method index of. I will declare another variable. So now I can write conditional statement to decide if I have easy case or relatively hard case. Easy case is when there is no comment. In such case, index of slash will be -1. Else, I will declare two new variables called code and comment. I will use substring method to get both of them. Code will be substring of program starting from index 0 until index of slash. Then we will do transformation of code. We will use same replacement method that we used in easy case. And then I will get comment, also with substring method. However, in this case, I will get everything from index of slash until end of the line. So I've separated code part from the line. I transformed it. I've got comment. Now only thing left to do is to concatenate them and save them in transformed program array. I think that's it. Now I will do some simple testing. I will use data from problem statement to test. And let's hope it will work. So far so good. Arrows are changed with points. And comment is left untouched. Let's try to submit this code. Code compiled successfully. And let's run system tests. And all system tests passed. I guess that's it for this problem. Thank you for watching.